What up, fam? It's Ted back with another video. So I'm about to go to Sardi's and see what they talking about.
So I just ordered grilled shrimp, lamb chops, rotisserie chicken, black beans, and rice, and tortilla rolls. Let's see what this food talking about. Yeah.
So I got this little lamb chop. I got a skewer of chicken with peppers and stuff on it. Grilled shrimp. Got some rice, and I got a thing of black beans right here. And the corn tortillas. Yeah, let's do this review, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's try this lamb chop first. Try it by itself. That junk bust, yo. What? That junk is on point. Oh my goodness. Let's try it in this red sauce right here. Try it in this white sauce. I like it better by itself. That don't hit. It don't hit, yo. What? Alright. Got the shrimp. Got that shrimp. Let's try it in this red hot sauce shit. Let's see. Blue loop loop. That's actually bussin'. It's junk in there like swimwear. You heard me. Got the chicken. I dipped that white sauce on it. Oh yeah. That junk hidden. Hidden. There it is. I got the shrimp, chicken, rice, and black beans on that joint. Let's see what it is gonna do today. That's really good, y'all. This whole meal bust, y'all. That don't hit. Shrimp was seasoned properly, you know, like it's got seasons on it. The chicken was seasoned real good. Look at that junk. Like they marinated it in something. This lamb chop I ain't never ate a lamb chop that was so tender and so good, young. I gotta give this meal like an 8, dog. I give it an 8 out of 10. Yeah, Sardi's put their foot in this jump today. It's your boy. Holla at you next time. Peace.